Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to change frame size in Davinci Resolve 18 or 19. Right click on the video you have imported in the timeline and click on Timeline Settings. Uncheck this box. Click on Timeline Resolution and choose which frame size you would like to have. Check this box if you want the frame to be vertical and click on OK. You can choose multiple options as per your preference and requirements. Make sure that you go to Output and keep this box checked. And that is how you change frame size in Davinci Resolve. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.